And it begins. All the great cold weather. There it be. Hopefully that's the only frozen pipe. What happened was that garage door was left open last night. And I know there's a bathroom above here, so hopefully that's the only line that froze and split. Nice and used. All the street fittings. See that little edge right there? Make sure you get those nice and clean. Got some golden retrievers upstairs. I got a golden retriever myself. Best dogs ever. I always take the stem out before I solder them up. That way heat doesn't build up at this fitting when you're soldering. Because when I first started quite a few years ago, overheated that a little bit too much on the factory solder joint. Most important thing for outside faucets when you're installing them, you want them to be pitched going down as they exit the house. That way when they shut off back here for an antifreeze faucet, because the stem comes all the way back here, shuts off back here, away from the outside of the house. I opted for a 12-inch outside faucet here because I want it as far away from the exterior of the house as possible. So, most important thing is we want it pitched out. So I have to put some kind of shim back there because trying to get a support on this is going to be hard. So now we just gotta solder up that street 90 and turn the water back up. That we're gonna grab a rag, clean that up, and we're gonna grab some longer screws because outside I was just hitting the siding. I wrapped up that outside faucet call. Forgot to film after cleaning copper